How to see saved passwords on your Opera browser. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily view your saved password on your Opera browser. So if you haven't already, just open your Opera browser on your device. So once you're inside here, just tap on this three dot or handbrake icon over here, and once you tap on it you have to scroll all the way down and you should see the option called go to full browser settings. Just tap on this. So once you tap on it, now click on privacy and security. So once again scroll all the way down until you see this advanced. Just tap on this advanced and you will be redirected to this page where you can see password manager. Just tap on this. So once you tap on it, as you can see here, you will be getting all of the list of the website where you have created your password and username. So just tap on this, and basically for this you will have to enter your computer password. So once you enter your computer password, you can easily view the password from over here just like this. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.